Snoring may be the bane of your partner's existence, but it's actually a common sleep phenomenon. It occurs when air flows past relaxed tissues in the throat, causing them to vibrate and produce the familiar snoring sound. While occasional snoring is normal, chronic snoring could be a sign of a more serious sleep disorder like sleep apnea. If you or your partner snore regularly, it may be worth consulting a healthcare professional for evaluation and treatment options. Have you ever been woken up by your own snoring? Share your snoring tales in the comments.